Hello everybody, I'm going to make you the most effective and fastest video in order to present you the new cryptocurrency Pi. The app that goes with is called Pi Network. This app will allow you to earn Pi free from the first minute of use. Pi Network is a free app that you can download on the Play Store or the App Store. You can check on the Google Play Protect that the app doesn't have any access to your data and will never ask you your credit card or anything else. So, you're probably asking you why I'm doing this video, why a mobile app offers you free cryptocurrency, how many is the value of Pi, how many Pi will I earn per day, how to exchange my Pi for euros. First of all, what is a cryptocurrency? A cryptocurrency, there are hundreds of them. It's a virtual currency, which means that the currency doesn't exist in banknotes or coins, but a digital data. The cryptocurrency are legal. We can own them, buy things online with them, we can exchange them for euros. The most known cryptocurrency is the Bitcoin, which starts from few cents in 2010. Today, one Bitcoin was approximately 9,000 euros. To give you an idea, in 2010, a guy bought 2 pizzas with 10,000 Bitcoins. Nowadays, these 10,000 Bitcoins worth 90 million euros. Why I'm telling you that? Because now we have the opportunity to earn Pi free and nothing tells us that its value won't increase more and more. So I'm going to explain you how does the app work and why the app distributes Pi free. Firstly, it's important to understand what is the mining because it's the primary goal of the app. When you do a transaction with euros, for example, imagine that number 1 make a transfer to number 2. That's the bank who supports the transfer process. As far as the cryptocurrencies are concerned, the transfer process isn't supported by the bank but by individuals like you and me. These individuals buy computers which provide what we call the blockchain. So their computers will do the transaction calculations and will allow the smooth running of the transaction. To reward them, they will earn a free part of the concerned cryptocurrency. By this way, many people have become rich. However, this method has several defaults. The computers cost a lot of money, it needs to have advanced knowledge, not to mention the energy cost of computers always on. Where the Pi is revolutionary, it's when we are going to make a transfer process of Pi. There are no longer computers which will make the calculations, but our phones. That's what makes us Pi miners. Our app realizes the calculations and we receive some free Pi. Pi is the first cryptocurrency of the world to allow this, the direct mining from mobile. Now we are going to see how to download the app, how to start earning Pi just after your registration. In the first time, you must download the app by searching Pi Network and then you have to register on the app. To validate your registration, you need a referral. You can't use the app without a referral code. You can use the code SALADE, SALADE, or MIXMAX, MIXMAX, in order to validate the registration. The first step of the registration is to verify your phone number or your Facebook account to prove that you are a human. Then, your first name, family name, and username. Next, you need to choose a password. Sorry, I can't remember the order of this step. Finally, the last step is to enter your referral code. It can be me, Salade, SALADE, or for example, MIXMAX, MIXMAX. Now that you're registered in the app, the number on the top is your Pi balance that will start to increase according to your ratio, and this ratio depends on the number of people that have entered your personal referral code. It's not an obligation, but more referrals you will have and bigger will be your ratio. Next, in the top right corner, you have different channels with moderators that can explain you, for example, how the Pi work more precisely, and other Pi users. The ultimate thing is to remember to click on the lightning button one time every day. in order to restart the mining session during 24 hours. That's really the most important and essential thing to do. After that, you can even close the app. The mining process will continue. Now, let's answer the question, how many Pi will I earn? If you mine, you have a base of 10 Pi per day. Then, your referral will collect you 3 Pi per day for a total of 13 Pi per hour, or 400 Pi per month. You have the possibility to earn more Pi by adding referrals by giving them your personal referral code. Imagine that you have 10 referrals. Each one of them will also collect for you 3 Pi per hour, for a total of 43 Pi per day, or 1,300 Pi per month. Then, it can be possible that some of your referrals are inactive. To motivate them to be active, there is the security cycle. You can add up to 5 referrals to your security cycle. The most active referrals, for example. You need to know that a full security cycle will allow you to double your number of Pi per day. So, with the security cycle, you get 86 Pi per day and 2,600 Pi per month. All I have just explained you is indicated in the app, and you can see the active miners with the green Pi logo, and more, for example, ping the inactive miners. Thanks to the referral system, we went from 20,000 in the beginning of June to 150,000 users at the end of July, with the goal to reach the million users. Pi Network is available in more than 175 countries. You must understand that more Pi miners mean less distributed Pi because of the halving every time the Pi users is multiplied by 10. Concerning the question, how much was the Pi? You need to know that we are in project launch and the Pi is distributed by a freeway. That's why Pi was nothing for the moment. Nobody can buy or sell Pi. So, for the moment, we can only stack our Pi and sell it when the cryptocurrency will be valued. Planned for the end of the year, but not guaranteed. To exchange all your stacked Pi, you will have to join an exchange platform, such as Coinbase, for example, but an exchange platform that will accept the Pi on her market and trade your Pi with your wanted currency. Then, you can transfer this currency to your bank account. The other solution is to trade your Pi for another cryptocurrency, such as Bitcoin, and buy things online. The third and last solution is to stack your Pi in the hope that the value will increase by the time, even if it can decrease. One of the most important topics: what is the Pi project? It isn't an obscure project with mysterious people. The core team, which means the team in charge of the project, is composed of 3 doctors, instructors, and trainers from the Stanford University in the United States, one of the best universities of the country. These 3 people really exist and keep us informed about the news directly from the Pi app. They are accompanied by American and French developers. Sometimes these developers give live informations in the channels of the app, such as the future updates or the number of users. The final goal of the project is to make the cryptocurrency Pi popular and general public with millions of users. For those who are still not convinced of Pi, you probably know that Facebook is going to launch its own cryptocurrency called Libra. Now, I'm going to explain you, in my opinion, of course, by a simple conclusion, why you must download the app and mine Pi. Firstly, it's a full free project. There isn't even ads. Secondly, the project has great chance to success by considering the strong team behind, with an app validated by the Play Protect, as you will see in the description of the app, so there isn't viruses. Finally, it's a social experience thanks to the in-app channels, the Facebook page, and the Instagram page. That's why you should join the adventure. It takes less than 15 seconds to reactivate the mining session every day. Don't be worried about earning only few hundreds of Pi because the value can be anything, and keep in mind that more you wait and more difficult it will be to mine Pi. I let you in the description of this video a link for more information and in order to download the app. Don't forget to use either the code SELAID or MixMax to validate your registration. You can share this video to your friends or family in order to sponsor them with your referral code. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the app. Bye.